I got an email recently from a friend. He said, I'll be competing in a futsal tournament next week. Please come and cheer me up. I'm Paul Preston, and this is 3 Minute English, a podcast in English for English learners. Today, let's talk about 2 ways to use cheer. Cheer up and cheer on. Do they sound the same? Maybe. But their meaning is actually quite different. Let's look at the story I told at the beginning of the podcast. My friend told me to come and cheer him up. I hope I don't have to do that. You see, to cheer up means to make someone feel better after something bad has happened to them. I might have to cheer my friend up if he loses the tournament, but I hope he wins. So what I should do is go and cheer him on. To cheer on means to support or root for. I don't want him to lose, so I'll go and cheer him on. But if he does lose, well, I'll try to cheer him up. Oh, you can cheer for a team. Whenever I have a chance, I cheer for the Red Sox. Sorry if you like the Yankees. Sometimes people use just the word cheer without on or up or for. To be honest, this might be a little confusing to native speakers. I think the original meaning of cheer was to make someone happy. And I guess you can still use it that way, although we rarely do it in American English. Now, the verb cheer without a helper, such as on, up, or for, really has only one usage. That is to raise a glass to someone. Kanpai, salud, or simply cheers. So, if I cheer someone, it means I'll raise a glass to them. For example, at a wedding ceremony. Here's to Bob. He's a good friend, but I can't believe he actually found a woman to marry him. Hey! That's a cheer. So, remember the difference. Cheer on or cheer for means to support or to root for. Cheer up means to make a sad person feel better. Of course, I'm cheering you on, and I know your English is going to sound better. I'm Paul Preston. Thanks for listening to 3 Minute English.